The size and sweep of a subsidy and services distribution event like government's Bagong Serbisyo Fair is much awaited and coveted by the public and beneficiaries it seeks to uplift. And tomorrow's blockbuster activity is sure to meet or even exceed expectations, with nearly ₱1 billion in serious cash and in-kind assistance up for grabs, plus freebie services and programs from 62 government agencies thrown in, as our Mela Las Moras dwells on in this story.
Eric has been working as a tricycle driver in Tagum City, Davao del Norte for 18 years now. He shared, if his memory serves him right, it is only now that they received and will continue to receive much aid and services from the national government. Tomorrow at the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, he is planning to avail of driver's license renewal services and hopes to also get financial assistance.
Unang-una ma'am, sa pamilya ma'am. I-ano namin yung pera na sa pamilya ma'am, pang-kain, pang-araw-araw.
Ilan taon na po ba? May ilan po ba anak niyo? May anak na
Tatlo.
All is set for the launch of BPSF Caravan in Davao del Norte tomorrow. If today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. visited the province to deliver presidential assistance to farmers, fisherfolk, and families, and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos brought the Lab for All program, tomorrow, House Speaker Martin Romualdez will also come to lead the launching of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair. Nearly ₱1 billion worth of aid and programs will be brought to the province from 62 participating national government agencies. In support of the program, around 160 congressmen will also visit the province. This is the 19th Serbisyo Fair which will be launched in the country.
Before the SONA, tatapusin namin ang buong Pilipinas. The President will visit all the regions of the Philippines before the SONA of the President. So that's how active that we, and then there would be another series of activities after the SONA.
But wait, there's more. Tomorrow there will also be a free concert organized by the government which will feature several artists and bands. With all these initiatives, the local officials in the province expressed deep gratitude to the administration. They hope each and every resident will enjoy all of these blessings.
Sobrang saya, and at the same time very excited. We are very grateful talaga sa suporta ng administrasyon.
On behalf of the City Government of Tagum, ipaabot namin yung malaking pasalamat kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos, sa First Lady, kay Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez, sa mga ayuda, mga proyekto na binuhos dito sa Tagum City.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.